Check it out. Rewind. 1 2 1 2. This is supposed to be a reggae song, but since our heartbeat beats to a different drum here in the north, here in Canada, here in Toronto, I turned it into a hip-hop song. This is to lead you out of the trap house and back into the rap house. Rap your life away. Hip-hop, yeah, hip-hop forever. I love the way you perceive my love. You're precious just like a dove. Emmanuel, please send my love. We are one heart, we're blessed from up above. I got keys like DJ Khaled. I got my kids I love so dearly. Most High, I really do fear thee. Send blessings my way sincerely. This is the loon. Big up the 7 churches under the sun, stars and moon. Big up the sinners that came from Cancun. Now change your life around for God and stay tuned. Get knowledge, understanding and wisdom and make room. And send some money back to your roots so you can bloom. And don't keep up no ignorance in your cocoon. Keep loving at your heart and keep your thoughts pure. I love the way you perceive my love. You're precious just like a dove. Emmanuel, please send my love. We are one heart, we're blessed from up above. I got keys like DJ Khaled. I got my kids I love so dearly. Most High, I really do fear thee. Send blessings my way sincerely. Love God and let's live. Gotta be something for me to write this. This album was something good that I could give to show you that my God, He reigns and Jah lives. I never met a love like this. To show the efforts that God cares as I live. We come to one conclusion: as a nation God lives, and Black life matters, so teach that to your kids. I love the way you perceive my love. You're precious just like a dove. Emmanuel, please send my love. We are one heart, we're blessed from up above. I got keys like DJ Khaled. I got my kids I love so dearly. Most High, I really do fear thee. Send blessings my way sincerely.